More time here. What they did is they got one of our pry bars. Look right here. See right here, they got a pry bar. One of my big fat pry bars putting right here. Here they go. Yeah. They're, wow. Looks like they got the heavy end on the truck. Look at it. These are our local Mahdi guys. Guys that faithfully come out and work. I don't even get anyone else different when I need a job done now. The same truck, same owner. There's the owner right here in the white shirt. Sila, or Silas. There they go. Look at this. This is teamwork. This is what we need to do as a